There's some rain coming, and I want to get some of these in the ground as soon as possible. Now, I mentioned to you guys that I was supposed to get my grasses down in the ground. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get that done today. It's my day off, and usually I could work all day outside. But they're calling for rain, and I had lots to do this morning, so I didn't have time to come plant or record a video. But what I will be doing today is planting all of these new finds that I got at the store. Remember I was mentioning last video about how I paid only $4 and $3 for some of them? Well, these are the ones. So right now I'm going to plant the Magic Show white wands. So I'm going to plant this right here. I have already selected the areas that I wanted to plant them. So this one's going right here. Oh, I should have got my little, hang on. I got to get my little shovel, hang on. Okay, so there's one in. So I'm going to leave this here so that I remember what I planted. Okay, off to the second one. I have 10, by the way. 10. Okay, plant number 2 here. I have, this is the phlox. These here. So the phlox is going right here. I'm definitely going to be probably changing things around. I need to see what I like and what I'm not liking. Okay, so the phlox is in. I'm going to need this paper here. I'm going to set it here for now. So this is it. Got the phlox there, and I have those wands back there. Okay, so that'll be nice and purple. That's be nice and white. The purple behind looks awesome. Over here, I gotta find names for each flower bed. I'd like to give them a name. So this one here is again the Magic Show white wands. You can see that. It's gonna go here. I'm imagining all of these beautiful. These get so tall. So I'm thinking the white with spiky, and then I have liatris back there. I think that that's gonna be really, really nice with this. So that is plant number 4. Remember, there's 10 of them. Okay, so those are there. I have these here. Arenaria montana, summer white. Am I saying that right? Comment down below, let me know. I'll go check to see with ChatGPT or something, but look at these. They're so pretty. These create mounds, these very low mounds. So I'm placing them there. I'm going to change my camera angle, and I will fast forward this. One, two, three. It should be fine. So I measured them out, so they're equal. It's just that this one has a little more leaves on it. So that one's in, these 3 are in, those are in over there. And I'm going to plant number 8. So where's number 8? There she is. Oh, I still have to put, ooh, I need to know what that is. I'm gonna have to put that on after. Anyway, I'm talking to myself. So the same thing, these are the proven winners. These are the Magic Show white wands, because I'd gotten 3 of these. So I'm gonna plant that one right here. And look at all those roots. It really needs to be planted, guys. So I'm gonna need a lot of dirt here. Okay, so look how I did it. Because it's in a slant, I added those 2 rocks there just to keep it a little more level. So that's how I did that one. Because I know that water will fall off a bit. I'm gonna try to go create these little trenches. I need more dirt to come equal, you know, make things more equal. But once everything's settled in, they won't have a problem. I enjoy these little bumps and curves and slopes. It's very natural and I like that, so. All right, guys, so there's a little bit of a drizzle right now, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. I'm going to plant these here. These are the agastache, where I cut these up and prepared them for planting. So I'm gonna plant them right here. I think it'll be really nice with this, this is the obedient plant. I still have to grab some of those seeds. There's a lot of seeds. Apparently obedient plants, they have a lot, as well, apparently you can see all of this is seeds and they like to spread. I'm trying to hurry up, trying to get these in the ground. It's just about to rain. I can feel the rain. There's one. Second one goes here. I had tree measured all of this out, guys. And these get wide enough, so let's fast forward. These 3 are in also. Why does that one look crooked? This one looks crooked. Oh, it's not crooked, it's because one branch is going that way, the other one comes this way. Okay. I wouldn't want to have crooked agastache. How about this one? This should be fine. I planted them in flat. So these are the agastache. These here. I'll put that there also. So I'm gonna go around and show you what's been done. Okay, so these are the phlox right next to the bee balm. And these are the White Magic Show white wands, which will be behind the bee balm. Then we have, I don't know if I showed you guys, I got this down in the ground the other day. I'm not sure if I did a video. So many videos, so much recording. More of the white wands, Magic Show, right by these beautiful little ladies here, and that liatris that will grow next year. These are the Arenaria montana. These will be, this should make like a carpet right in front of this. I figured it would be really nice, the white with that beautiful deep green. Well, it's not so deep, but and I found these, by the way, I want to mention, I found these, and apparently these are asters. I found them in my hedge over there. They were growing just wild, and I decided to plant them there because they're just cute little flowers. I have to water all my plants today. Although they're calling for rain, I still need to water the plants just in case it doesn't. And I got more of those, the magic wand there, which I set up with some stones here. So anxious for next year. Clean all of this up, make this all nice, add the gravel. This is going to extend here, out here, this whole part, and this will be another pathway. That is today's video. Got everything in the ground. I got to get everything in the ground before the frost, right? So I still need to plant those darn grasses. I have not planted them yet. Maybe I'll do that a little later. I'll see if right now the rain seems to have stopped. It was just drizzling a bit. So, okay guys, take care. I hope you enjoyed this video. and loving my garden. Let me know what you think of my work so far. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.